आप भी जीत गए, मेरे से लिखवा लो एफिडेविट के ऊपर। थोड़े दिन के बाद ममता दीदी जेल में होंगी, तेजस्वी यादव जेल में होगा, स्टैलिन साहब जेल के अंदर होंगे, पिनरई विजयन जेल के अंदर होंगे, उद्धव ठाकरे जेल के अंदर होंगे, जितने विपक्ष के नेता ये सारे जेल के अंदर होंगे। अगर ये चुनाव जीत गए, इन्होंने बीजेपी का एक नेता नहीं छोड़ा।
All opposition leaders will be in jail if BJP retains power, Kejriwal, reports Air News. There is no stopping Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal as he launched a broadside against BJP and Prime Minister Narendra Modi at a media meet in New Delhi on Saturday, reports Diganta Guha with agency inputs. Kejriwal warned if BJP retains power at the centre, all opposition leaders will be incarcerated. All opposition leaders including Mamta, Stalin, Uddhav will be in jail if BJP wins Lok Sabha polls. UP CM will also be changed. PTI quoted him saying, and he added he will work tirelessly, campaign across country to finish dictatorship and save India. Kejriwal, because of his arrest, has missed campaigning and now he has some time to make up after getting the interim bail. Aam Aadmi Party will use him to the hilt on the campaign trail. The Delhi CM, who is out of jail on a 50-day interim bail after being arrested in the excise scam, led a blistering attack on Modi and team. On corruption, he said, Modi talks of corruption, but he has in his company so many tainted leaders. The PM is saying that he is fighting against the corruption. However, he has included some of the country's most corrupt people in his party, he said. And he added, as quoted by PTI, he used to blame a few people saying they were involved in corruption of rupees 70,000 crore, but after a few days he made them deputy CM and ministers. Attacking the BJP for sending top Aam Aadmi Party leaders to jail, he elaborated that his party will never bow down under pressure. BJP sent top 4 Aam Aadmi Party leaders to jail thinking the party will disintegrate. However, Aam Aadmi Party is not a party. It is a thought. The more they want to finish, the more it will expand. The PM wants to crush the Aam Aadmi Party. Those who go to meet PM Modi, some of them know us also. They tell us that PM Modi asks about Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party first. He said. On Thursday, after coming out of jail, he had said that he would do everything possible to stop dictatorship. He also retorted that he is back and back with a bang. Kejriwal also predicted that the BJP would be ousted out of power in these polls as per election experts. They won't be in power. This much is assured, and I can say this with conviction. Kejriwal also expressed his gratitude to the Supreme Court of India. I want to thank the Supreme Court. They have given me 21 days. There are 24 hours in a day. I will work for 36 hours in a day. I will visit across the country to stop this dictatorship. I will sacrifice my everything for the country. Every drop of my blood, every minute of my life is for the country. I will travel across the country to save my nation. PTI quoted him. Kejriwal's return will be a huge impetus for the India Alliance as he is famous for his diatribes.